Welcome back. Amid the pandemic, everything has changed, even the way we do our taxes. Joining us now to share what you need to know about tax season and more are Swannie Batista and Rachel Batista, co-founders of Paralegals for the Community, a woman-owned small business offering tax preparation services and more right here in the Bronx. Welcome, ladies. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having us.
To start, for those who are not familiar, can you tell us about Paralegals for the Community and your mission?
Absolutely. We're an all-women-owned paralegal firm, a family-owned paralegal firm. Rachel and I are co-founders and sisters, and we have two conveniently locations. We have one here in the South Bronx and a recently opened location in Union City, New Jersey. We offer an array of services. You mentioned a few of them, from immigration to divorces to the general public and solo practitioners. We've been operating for about 3 years now.
Going on 3 years.
Going on 3 years, and we're very, very happy to be here.
Yeah.
We have over 25 years of experience in offering these services to our clients.
Thank you, ladies. And how have things changed due to the COVID-19 pandemic? As you said, it is a small business, women-owned, Latina-owned. How are you ensuring also that clients have a safe space during these times in your office?
I want to say a good 6 to 7 months during the pandemic, our core business was affected. We also provide biometric services to the public. So that's what essentially kept us open.
Kept us afloat.
Correct. We were deemed essential workers. So we were opened, but however, daily we have, just on the fingerprinting side of the business, we have 50 people walking in, just alone on the fingerprinting side. That started diminishing from 50 to 40 to 20 to 10 to 5 people. And, you know, gladly we were able to pick up, and, you know, it was miraculously, we're still here. We're very, very fortunate. And as far as the safety, we've always been very big on disinfecting and sterilizing, just because of the volume of people that are walking into our office. But post-COVID, we had a capacity about, our waiting area holds about 8 to 10 people. We now have only 3 people that are allowed in the waiting area. Before they're granted entry into our office, we ask them 3 series of questions. You know, have you been exposed to COVID? Have you been experiencing, you know, any symptoms? Have you traveled out to the United States in the last 14 days? We take their temperature and then we let them in.
And of course, they have to have a mask on.
Of course. And we are disinfecting and sterilizing everything from our pens to chairs every hour, every single day.
Thank you, ladies. And now, you know, I know our viewers are listening and they're like, when are they going to start talking about taxes?
I know, right?
So taxes are approaching. Tax season is among us. It's almost here. And this year, things may look a little different. What has changed and what can people expect while filing their taxes in 2021?
Yes, question of the year. So, of course, in 2020, we got hit with the novel coronavirus. It affected millions of Americans. And the IRS, in an effort to help struggling Americans, of course, they extended tax season by 3 months. So the official filing date last year in 2020 was July 15th.
Mm-hmm.
This year, the official filing date for taxes is April 15, unfortunately. If you do want an extension, you have to file one. And so for the changes for 2021, the standard deduction has increased. They're up $200 from the prior year. So in 2019, for a single filer, let's say the standard deduction was $12,200.
Mm-hmm.
In 2020, now that is up by $200. And that just means that you're gonna see a reduction of your taxable income by that amount. It's a fixed amount that the IRS sets. And lastly, tax brackets have increased in 2020, and that's just to account for inflation.
Thank you, Rachel. I know that you're also the tax preparation specialist over at Paralegals for the Community. I wanted to ask you, something else I've heard is the stimulus payments are going to be mentioned in the taxes this year. Is that true?
They are. So stimulus payments, of course, are non-taxable income. And if you did not receive any of the 2 payments, you can claim it on your tax return.
Got it.
So as the IRS designed the recovery rebate credit, which means, of course, if you didn't receive it, you can claim it on your tax return for either one. Yes.
Okay.
Of course, you still have to be eligible to claim the credit.
Correct.
Right.
So yeah.
And just to, clarify for our viewers, that means that people can receive their stimulus check along with their taxes this year. Is that what it is?
Correct. It is a fully refundable credit. So you can, on top of your regular refund, you will be getting that credit on top of your regular refund. Correct.
Copy. Thank you for clearing that up. A lot of people were also unemployed last year, Rachel. How is receiving unemployment benefits going to impact people during this tax season?
That is a great question. Yes. And a lot of viewers do want to hear the answer to that. So in 2020, of course, if you were part of the millions of Americans who lost their job due to the pandemic, you turned to unemployment insurance, right? But unfortunately, unemployment insurance is taxable income. And I always recommended my clients whom I helped file last year to, unemployment, you have to elect for taxes to be withheld from your benefits. It's not automatic. So I always recommend to have your taxes withheld from unemployment. And how that affects a lot of Americans is that a lot of people didn't have those taxes withheld from their unemployment benefits. And unemployment insurance is 100% taxable income. So if you did not have your taxes taken out of your benefits, you are liable for those taxes come tax season. So, a lot of people will see a huge reduction in refunds. If not, they will be stuck with a huge tax bill at the end of the year if they didn't have those taxes taken out of their benefits.
I see. And Rachel, when exactly is the IRS going to start accepting and processing returns this year? And when is the last day to file our taxes? Also, can you mention early taxing, when that starts?
So the IRS is open for e-filing returns February 12th, which is this Friday. So that is so that is when they are open to accept all returns electronically, of course. They already started to accept mailed-in returns, but this is specific for e-filing returns. And again, like I mentioned, the last day to file your taxes is April 15, 2021. If you need more time, you do have to file an extension. It is not automatic like last year.
Got you. And starting on February 12th, can folks go over to Paralegals for the Community for services for e-filing?
Yes, absolutely. We have made it very convenient now for folks to come and get an appointment. If you find us on Google, you can send us a direct message from Google. You can make an appointment online from Google. We have now enabled the live chat on our website. So you can head over to our website. If you have any questions or want to make an appointment, you can ask one of our agents who are available 24/7. So, and of course you can always call us to make an appointment, but I am open to accepting appointments now.
Thank you, Rachel. Swannie, I would love to have you chime in and just tell us about the other amazing services that you offer to your clients. Are you offering any services virtually or over the phone? I want to mention that I've definitely gone into Paralegals for the Community for notary services before, and I love the service. You have a 5-star rating on Google. Like, come on, you're doing something right.
Yes, no. So prior to the pandemic, we were always offering, FaceTime for our elderly population that couldn't physically come into our office, just because when it comes to the elderly folks, we have a lot of clients coming in from Dutchess County, Putnam County, and coming out all the way to the Bronx. It wasn't feasible for them. But now a lot of people still have that fear, of coming into the office. So we are offering Zoom meetings, consultations by email, by phone, you name it, we're doing it. We're all about client convenience. So, and of course, ensuring the safety of our clients. So
Thank you.
We actually have a very special announcement. We recently launched a very unique membership. There's a lot of benefits and perks for our clients that offer for a very small amount monthly, very affordable, because our mission is to help clients gain access to affordable non-attorney services, okay? By educating, as you know, our clients. So we created, it took us months to do so, a very unique membership where the clients, if they sign up, they could easily sign up to our website. On our website, it includes unlimited notarizations, and this includes you and your partner, and it doesn't even have to be your spouse. It could be just your boyfriend or girlfriend.
Right.
Unlimited document review up to 10 pages. That includes all consultations on any matter. So you could call us, text us all year round, and this will be part of your membership. This also includes translations and a free power of attorney or last will and testament. And I want to just emphasize on the last will and testament because I'm the estate planning specialist here. And as you know, nobody was prepared for COVID-19. Okay, not only were people affected and are still being affected post-virus, but a lot of people unfortunately passed away. So what did that do for families? That left families not having a legal document, a legal instrument that actually lays out their assets and to avoid conflict between families. So, you know, part of this membership, you're getting a free one. So I think that's one of our most, you know, valuable and important perks of that benefit.
Yeah.
Sounds amazing. Yes. Thank you for sharing that, Swannie and Rachel. If you can share how people can contact you at this time to find out more about the membership, find out more about you, and set an appointment for tax preparation season, anything else, just provide the number, email, all that good stuff.
Absolutely. Yeah, so we could be contacted. Our phone number is 929-263-2073. Again, the number is 929-263-2073. Or for more information, they could visit our website at www.paralegalsftc.com. That is www.paralegalsftc.com.
She always misses a W in there.
I know a lot of people actually do that. But thank you, ladies, so much again for your time.
Thank you so much for having us. It was a pleasure.
Always a pleasure seeing you. Again, whether you have any questions or need any legal advice or services, these ladies have you covered. Visit paralegalsftc.com or call 929-263-2073 for more information. Y ellas hablan español también, so they'll be able to.
Yes. Muy importante.
Yes. We'll be right back with Open BXRx.